Hi, good morning. So the Bihar Assembly has passed the Bihar Microfinance Institutions Bill, tightening oversight on the microlending in the state. Now, the legislation it seeks to regulate microfinance and also the small loan providers, curb coercive recovery practices, and introduce stricter compliance norms. Now, this is noteworthy that this bill isn't applicable to banks and NBFCs, but it mandates prior approval from Bihar Finance Department before loan dispersal and also compulsory state level registration. Importantly, it caps multiple lending, restricting borrowers to loans from not more than 2 MFIs. Now, this is significant because Bihar is the largest state for the MFI industry, accounting for roughly 15 to 16% of the total sector loan book in India. Now, talking about the brokerages, Citi notes that banks and NBFCs are explicitly exempt and implying no direct impact on banks and NBFCs. It also highlights that asset quality trends in Bihar have been improving. Talking about Morgan Stanley, it flags near-term sentiment overhang, expects asset quality to improve, but loan growth to remain below the past peaks. Lenders may trim microfinance exposure, says Morgan Stanley. Now, talking about the MFI exposure of some of the listed lenders in Bihar, so Utkarsh Small Finance Bank has the highest exposure at 45%, followed by IIFL Samast at 21%. Also, Fusion and L&T Finance stands at 17% of their books in the MFI exposure in Bihar. Others range between 5 to 13%. Back to you.